Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Conway Twitty. I can see the 1-2 in your eyes. Okay, you got me. That wasn't Conway Twitty. It was just me in disguise. We're going to make tacos tonight. What do you say? We got some chicken on the griddle. It's frozen chicken tenderloins, chicken breast tenderloins. Can cook them from frozen and nice and simple. I got my handy dandy thermometer ready. We got some cheese and some salsa, and we're trying Trader Joe's something. What are we trying? Corn and flour tortillas for something different. I've seasoned the chicken as it cooks with a little bit of chili lime seasoning. Yeah. And my homemade, whatever it is, sea salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, Mrs. Dash, and whatever else I happen to think to throw in. I've got the thermometer to make sure nobody gets food poisoning, because that's never fun. I know this isn't fancy, dancy, from scratch homemade tortillas and homemade nachos and homemade salsa and homemade cheese and homemade chicken that a lot of the celebrity YouTube, Facebook griddlers make. This is just plain old food. I'm not a chef. I just play one on TV. No, damn it, Jim. I'm just cooking up something quick and simple and hopefully tasty, and making mistakes so you don't have to. So I'll let you take a break while the chicken's cooking, and come on back in a few minutes. Okay? Okay. Hi, welcome back from recess. Today, class, we're going to do arithmetic. 2 plus 2 using new math is how much? I'm sorry, that's wrong. Show your answer. No, we brought out the big guns, and by big guns I mean the dome, so that we can, oh, did you smell that? So we can steam the chicken a little bit, because steam helps lock in all the juiciness and actually helps it cook better. So we'll keep doming, and we'll bring you back if anything else exciting happens. Okay, y'all. The magic thermometer says they're about the right temperature, which I don't always trust, but you gotta start somewhere, right? Let's do a little bit of cutting. Oh yeah, that is good. Look at that. Oh, white and tender. And juicy, and yummy. I know a lot of you have an aversion to the word moist, so I won't use that. Moist, because I'm very, I try to be very aware of people's feelings, and don't want to abuse my privilege and moist. It's weird how words affect people. Um, I personally have a aversion to the word unable to griddle. I also have an aversion to trolls, but that's not the word, just the trolls. Okay, look how pretty. Let's, what are we doing? We'll move this to one side. Scrape this down a little. So we have a smooth, clean working surface. Look how nice and easy it is to clean a well-seasoned griddle. Isn't that wonderful? A wonderful day in the neighborhood. Wonderful day. So we got some veggie oil. Let's slap a little bit of that down. Yeah! And now I just dirtied up my clean griddle surface. Can't take me nowhere. So, I've heard these are awesome. Wheat and corn flour tortillas. We'll find out if that's true or just a lie. They smell corny. Sometimes I smell corny. Sometimes I can't spell corny. Sometimes I just am corny. So we're just hitting these a little bit of a lick. Maybe. Do you ever have trouble sealing your seal? You ever have trouble training your seal? I just want them a little warmed up. Woo! When I have rich and have sponsors, I'll have me a tortilla warmer. But today is not that day. Okay, this one's perfect. Slip it down in there. That one's close enough to perfect. Well, oh, did you know these things get hot? Hot, hot, hot. We could probably even turn this off. I can see the 1, 2 in your eyes. Okay. What would go on next? Maybe some chicken, you think? Let's try some chicken. Ooh, hot chicken. As fresh as you can get off a frozen chicken patch. Are you still enjoying it? Is it still looking yummy? Can we change? Oh, look at that. La, 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 la. Into the shell we go. Round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. This is just enough. Let's try it. My favorite part of the griddle is the griddle marks. I actually considered naming that instead of griddle porn, going with griddle marks once. But I didn't because I didn't want to. So, what do we have here? We've got some loaded taco shells. Wow. This is a tough one. I didn't pre-cut my edges. No. This is not a tennis ball. Okay. We got some shredded cheese. I could have like rolled these up and made quesadilla style or something if I wanted to. But once again, I didn't want to. And what comes next? We've got salsa. Let's just spread a little joy with the salsa. And I'll probably add some hot sauce on mine because that's how I roll. Uh-oh. Get in there. Get. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Let's try not to turn you off. I didn't mean to turn you off. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You see the freshly griddled chicken. Well, freshly frozen griddled chicken. And that's it. See how easy that was, y'all? And now you get to see the sunshine over the mountains. And, oh, here it comes again. It's coming. It's coming. It's the end of the video. Bye!